are building a terminal-based cryptocurrency monitoring dashboard that formats live market data, calculates portfolio metrics, and renders crisp alerts. Step 1. Base data structure setup. We begin by modeling incoming live exchange data using a dictionary structure. This mimics real API responses from platforms like Binance or Coinbase. Step 2. Basic string interpolation using dot format. To print raw values without manual string concatenation, we use dot format with empty curly brace placeholders. Step 3. Positional index matching. When reordering or repeating values in output lines, explicit index positions inside curly braces prevent repetitive function arguments. Step 4. Keyword arguments in dot format. Assigning keywords inside dot format makes multivariable string templates much more readable and maintainable than numeric indices. Step 5. Formatting floating point precision. Raw financial API outputs usually contain excessive floating point digits. We limit currency values to 2 decimal places using the value .2f syntax. Step 6. Controlling field width and padding. Adding fixed width specifiers before precision alignment ensure numerical outputs line up in clean vertical columns regardless of string length. Step 7. Transitioning to f-strings. Python 3.6 plus formatted string literals f-strings streamline interpolation by letting us evaluate variables directly inside string brackets. Step 8. Inline expressions inside f-strings. F-strings support direct expression evaluation inside curly braces, allowing us to perform arithmetic-like holdings calculations on the fly. Step 9. Conditional formatting logic. We can inject conditional logic inside f-strings to dynamically assign indicators like gain-loss, directional arrows based on 24-hour performance. Step 10. Building the portfolio dashboard summary. Combining field alignment, float precision, and string method into a single function produces a production-ready dashboard engine. If you found this helpful, like and comment below and subscribe for more Python videos.